I am Amna and today I am discussing about Pintterest for e-commerce features and strategies. Pintterest, often dubbed as a visual discovery engine, stands apart from other social media platforms due to its focus on inspiration, planning and visual search. This unique positioning makes it a gold mine for e-commerce businesses looking to showcase their products to a ready-to-buy audience. Key features: Pins, the foundation of Pintterest. Pins are a visual bookmarks that users create. For e-commerce, these often represent the products, tutorials, and ideas. Boards, collection of pins that users can categorize based on topics or interests. E-commerce businesses can create the boards for different product categories, seasons, or themes. Rich pins. These provide more context about an idea by showing the extra information directly on the pin. For e-commerce, product-rich pins include the real-time pricing, availability, and where to purchase. Promoted pins. Paid advertising on Pintterest. These pins look like regular pins but have a promoted label. They can be targeted to appear in a relevant search results or user feeds. Shop the Look, a feature that allows the businesses to tag multiple products within a pin, making it easy for the users to shop directly from the image. Interesting shopping ads. These turn your product data into visual, actionable ads, letting users see and buy the products directly from your pins. Pintterest Lens, a visual search that lets users take a picture of an item and find the similar products or ideas on Pintterest. Pintterest Analytics offers insights on the performance of pins and boards, allowing the businesses to understand what resonates with their audience. Strategies for e-commerce success. High quality visual content. Pintterest is inherently visual. Use the high resolution, captivating the images with the minimal text. Vertical images tend to perform better due to the platform's layout. Optimize for search. Use the relevant keywords in the pin titles, descriptions, and the board names to make them discoverable. Think of Pintterest as a visual search engine. Engage with the seasonal trends. Pintterest users often plan ahead. Post content in anticipation of the seasons, holidays, or events to capture the planning audience. Use the rich pins. Ensure that the product pins include up-to-date pricing and availability to provide the users with all the information they need. Curate user-generated content. Create the boards that feature the user photos or review of your products. It adds authenticity and serves as a social proof. Run targeted ad campaigns. Use promoted pins and shopping ads to target specific demographics or interests. This ensures your products reach a ready-to-buy audience. Create the tutorial on how to pins. For products that can be used in multiple ways or require some form of assembly, create the pins that guide users. This not only showcases the product's value but also aids in its use. Engage with the community. Repin the relevant content from others. Comment on your popular pins in your industry and encourage the users to pin content from your website. Monitor and adapt. Regularly check the Pintterest analytics to see which pins and strategies are working best. Adapt your content and promotional strategies accordingly. If I conclude that's all, I would say Pintterest's unique focus on discovery and inspiration makes it an invaluable platform for the e-commerce businesses. By aligning their content and the promotional strategies with the platform's features and user behaviors, e-commerce brands can effectively capture the attention of an audience that's ready and eager to turn the inspiration into a purchase decisions. Thank you very much for listening to us.